What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing a K&N short ram intake on the BRZ. I picked this thing up from my boy Reaper. When I first got it, the filter was a little bit dirty. Actually it was a lot dirty, so I cleaned it up. So now it's ready to go in the BRZ. First thing we gotta do is remove the old one. So see, there's one bolt here, one over here, and then we gotta take this off from the throttle body and take off the map sensor, and I think that's pretty much it. Before we do that, we're gonna remove the negative terminal on the battery. Alright, I'm gonna loosen the throttle body piping first, then take this out, then take the map sensor out, and then loosen this and that and take the whole thing out. Another bolt right here, so I gotta take that out as well. And these are all 10mm bolts, just in case you guys are wondering. Now this should just come off as one unit, so let's see. There we go, the old one is out. Now we're going to be installing the new one, so let's put on this bracket on the inside first. Alright, so this is the bracket you got to put in first. Make sure you do it this way and not the other ways, because the airbox is not going to sit properly here then. So now, let's put this over here. And now it lines up right here, and it lines up over here as well. Alright, now it's pretty secured. Now we can put the piping in. Alright guys, the intake's on. Got everything bolted down. Let's start it up and see how it sounds. Alright, it's finally installed. I can hear the difference. Pretty good install overall, pretty simple. The only thing that kind of was a little bit hard was figuring out the side bracket, but intake is installed. No lights on the dash, so that's a good thing. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.